So let's just talk about query parameter. So the query parameters are basically used to capture the values sent in the query string, and they are typically used to pass data to the server. Like an example, suppose we have one URL like example.com/search. So this is our search route. Now after that route, in the query string we can have the query parameters. So after the question mark, we can have multiple query parameters as a key value pairs. So we can have the key 1 and the value 1. Similarly, we can have other key value pairs, so we have to use ampersand as the delimiter. This way we can add key 2 and the value 2. Here in this case we can send one field value and the sorting order to sort the user's array by that particular field. So here we can have the filter can be username. So we wanted to sort the username, and then we can pass the sorting order as descending. So let's just see how we can capture those query parameters. So first of all, we're gonna define that route. So app.get, and here the route is /search. Now we're gonna have the callback function with the request and the response. So for now, we're just gonna simply console log the query parameters. A request.query. So this will return one object containing all the key value pairs query parameters in the query string. So currently we're listening to this port 3000. So let's just open the localhost 3000/search. So now in the console, you can see we have one empty query parameters. That's because we have not sent any query parameter in the URL. So let's just go to the localhost/search. Let's now pass some query parameters. So after the question mark, we can have the filter username, and also we can pass the sorting order. So the sort order can be descending. So let's now go to the URL. So you can see we have the query object where the filter is the username and the sorting order is descending. So we can individually access all of the query parameter. So we have to use request.query dot the filter. Similarly, also we can log the sorting order. So let's just go to this URL. So now you can see we have the filter is the username and the sorting order is descending. So this way we can access the query parameters from the query string. And also we can use some default values. So in case we forget to pass query parameters, in that case we can use some default values. So here we can add default value, and also we can use some default sorting order like ascending order. Now after that is done, we can send some response where the filter is the filter from the query string and also the sorting order. So now if we go to that URL, so you can see we are getting the response with the filter and the sorting order. So this is the way we can easily capture and use query parameters in the Express application. So that's it for the video. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.